Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, it's Tuesday, June the 22nd, 2021, and this week it's the lockdown will end, and this week 27th week of the lockdown. Yes, the lockdown end in one of these days. So you don't have to wear the face mask, but the 1.5 meter you need to obey, and handshaking is also not allowed. But all the stores are open, and I'm very pleased that the lockdown ends this week, the 27th of the lockdown. Yes. All right. Um, Only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, I see. But in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8. 4 of them I will solve for you. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2984. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright. For a 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes I need. And for a 4 stars, with 24 printed digits, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? In this puzzle, we have 4 sevens. So let me start with the 7. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sevens, not 4 but 5. Yes. So we have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. All right. Alright. Then. How about the 5 in this column? 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. First column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait for more information. Alright. Let me wait. Yeah. Okay. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. You see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay. Here can be 6. Okay. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6, there 6 should be here. And then we have a pair here. In the third column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 6. We see here 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. We see here 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in that box. So no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 6. We see here 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3, 5, 7, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Then 6, 2, 3, and 9. Let me think. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We see here 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the third column. For the number 1, alright. 5, 9, 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are missing. No. We have a 4 here. 3 and 5 are missing. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 5. How about those 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2. The 3 is missing in this big square. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. And we see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We see here 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 1. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see here another 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the first column. For the numbers 1 and 3. Still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 9 and 8. Again, I need to mark those boxes. 9 and 8, alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 8. Now we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 1 and 3. Yeah, 1 and 3 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. But let me mark those, because here we have a pair also in the last row. Alright, 1 and 3. How about those 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Cannot place a 3 here. We have a pair 1 and a 3. 4, 5, the 6 is missing. Well, we have a 6 here, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. The 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 3, 6, and a 9. Well, how about those 2 boxes in the middle column? The 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So yeah, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Okay, 6, 9. How about those 2 numbers, 9 and 8? Still cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 5, 9, 5. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 5. Okay. 5, 5. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 1 and 3 are missing in this column. 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. Now only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9 we see here, 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in... Oh, wait. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the 2 final numbers of this big square, the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finishing 60 minutes. Alright, correct. 15 to 20 minutes. I need to solve this puzzle. And I like this puzzle. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Mediums, playlists for the heavy, for the light Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the killer Sudokus, for the quintuplet, for the binaries, for the tectonics, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Again, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again later, maybe in the evening, the rest of the puzzles in the additional. So see you then. Bye bye for now.